Document Viewer. From PDFs to spreadsheets and images, TaxDome opens your files instantly so you can stay in the flow without switching apps. First, click the document's name to open the Document Viewer. When a document is open, you can choose to view it in full screen mode. The Document Viewer will remember your preference for all future files. If the document is part of a folder with multiple files, you can navigate between them. At the top of the screen, you'll see the file name and the upload date. If needed, you can click the info icon to update the name, add a description, include tags, or lock the document to an invoice. If a tag is added, it will be displayed next to the document's name. From here, you also have quick access to popular actions. If the document is inside a folder with Client Can View access, you can request a signature, send or resend an approval request. You can also move the document between folders or client accounts, or lock it in place with the seal feature to prevent client edits or deletions. If you want to download a copy to your device, click here. And finally, you can also print it by clicking in here.